Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video I'm going to show you guys how to create letters used for decorating a cake. So let's see it. These are the type of letters which I will show you how to make. They're made out of chocolate. I am going to pour the melted dark chocolate compound using a piping bag into the silicone mold. To make the melted dark chocolate compound, we put small pieces of dark chocolate compound in a bowl and heat it for 1.5 minutes in a microwave oven. Tap the silicone mold 4-5 times. And clean its surface using a knife. Then keep it in the freezer for 10 minutes. After removing the mold from the freezer, pull out the letters one by one. If you are not careful, you will end up breaking the letters. This is how the letters look after they have been removed from the mold. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.